What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another sneaker unboxing. This is one kind of like weird looking pair of Jordan 9s that came out quite recently. I'm sure you're not all familiar with this colorway. Black University Gold Jordan 9s. Sounds great, you know? Black University Gold. Sounds like a nice colorway. Here they are. They're not too bad. They're not too bad at all. Just not too spectacular either. They got that nice shiny speckle that the University Blues had. It's not a speckle, but nice sheen to them. But it's not nearly as cool as what the University Blues that just came out look like. It's not a crazy colorway, so you can, almost anyone can get away with wearing these. And it's a pretty reasonable silhouette for a sneaker, so it doesn't look too wild and ridiculous. Although the yellow does kind of stick out a little bit, especially on this heel tab. This heel tab's a little bit more neon than the interior. I do personally like the silhouette of the Jordan 9. When people talk about Space Jams, I always think of the Jordan 9 before the 11. I don't know why. It's just what I remember. If you're looking for a pair of these, check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. You should be able to get yourself a reasonable deal on this. I know they were going for like a lot right when they came out, but they're coming back down slowly, which is nice. The bottom of these is pretty nice. Got a lot of interesting words right there. Unfortunately, my memory card just kind of got full on me there, so we're gonna do this one more time. A lot of nice little interesting words on there. I'm pretty sure it says intense in the middle, and then a few things in a bunch of other languages. As usual, we're gonna try and throw these on with some different jeans and some different joggers. And you let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. I personally think that these are fire sneakers. Jordan 9s are generally fire sneakers, but I'm not a huge fan of this colorway, as I said before. Let's throw them on here. And you can tell me what you think. The great thing about Jordan 9s is they have this nice like interior sock right here. Quite comfortable. Finally have them on foot here. And I can tell you from experience, Jordan 9s are comfortable. They look pretty reasonable with these joggers too. Pretty fire if you ask me. Pretty fire. Gonna throw them on with some jeans, maybe some black jeans and some blue jeans. There's an affiliate marketing link in the description for some joggers and jeans from Amazon if you're looking for some nice joggers and jeans to go with your sneakers. Let's check out some blue jeans. Now these blue jeans right here look pretty fire with the Jordan 9s if you ask me. It's a nice reset for your jeans when you sit down. Usually when you get back up, they somehow look much better with sneakers. I don't know what it is. Alright, let's check out some black jeans and let me know what your favorite look is with these sneakers. Alright, so we got the nice little black jeans on. This is actually my favorite pair of jeans. It's a pair of nudie jeans. Now, nudie jeans are sick because they come with a lifetime warranty. Nudie will repair your jeans for free if you have a store nearby. I'm pretty sure that's still the case. You can get them on Amazon. There's an Amazon affiliate marketing link in the description. And you can already see why these are my favorite pair. Because by far they're the best looking with these sneakers. I actually have a receipt in these for $72 of pizza. It's always nice when you find a receipt in your pocket. It's a nice little token, nice little memory of a different day of the past. I like to keep a lot of receipts. These jeans actually have made me fall in love with these Jordan 9s a little bit more than I was previously. I didn't love the colorway as much, but when you're wearing all black and you just have a tiny bit of yellow showing, it's actually quite nice. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And before I go, I'm just gonna show you the shoe one more time, real close, up close and personal. I'm not sure I showed you the tongue yet. It says Air Jordan on it in text. That's pretty cool. You don't see that too often in other shoes besides these 11s, I think. I do definitely like this little sparkle on the shoe. Some people might not like it, but I think it's quite nice. Jordan World logo. I think that's what that's called. The bottoms of these are very interesting. One of my favorite parts of these Jordan 11s. If you were to step in some snow, some fresh, crisp snow, you'd leave a nice little imprint. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.